Hey guys, welcome to Long Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a ClipChamp account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now, to sign up for a ClipChamp account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address clipchamp.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of ChipChamp. And here guys, you can see at the top right corner of the screen either it says the login or the try for free button available. If you have already created an account on ClipChamp, you can simply click on the login button over here. If not, let's sign up for the ClipChamp right now, and let's click on the try for free. And over here guys, you can see you will be able to continue with the Microsoft or your personal account, use your email, or continue with Google or Facebook. If you click on either of these three buttons which says continue with Microsoft, Google and Facebook, uh, you'll be taken to the login procedure of the Microsoft or the Google or Facebook account depending upon which one you clicked. And if you log into these accounts respectively, you will be signed up for a ClipChamp account with those emails. And with that being said guys, let's use our email. So to do that, let's click on use our email manually, and let's go with our name, let's go with the month, and that the country, and our email guys. And after entering all of these credentials like your name, your last name, your date of birth, your country, and your email, simply click on the create an account over here like this. And over here guys, it says with consent and email containing a temporary login link to this Gmail. This link can be only used once and will expire in an hour. So let's open the Gmail. And here's the sign into ClipChamp, and let's click on the click here. You can see can't get the button above to work. Both of these buttons are same, so it's the same thing wherever you click. And you see guys, we have already created an account on the ClipChamp. We are just customizing our accounts. And over here guys, we have successfully created an account on the ClipChamp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.